what is the new Cold War and why the analogy is both useful and misleading. Every major crisis between the United States and China seems to revive the same question. Are we entering a new Cold War? आपने बहुत बार opinion pieces में, articles में, newspaper headlines में पढ़ा होगा कि हम एक new Cold War में enter होने जा रहे हैं. It is an attractive analogy, लेकिन क्या ये accurate भी है? There are certainly similarities. The world's two largest powers are competing for technological leadership. They're competing for military influence, economic leverage, and global political influence. And both are investing heavily in advanced technologies like artificial intelligence, semiconductors, quantum computing, and space capabilities. So ये तो तय है कि strategic competition has clearly returned. But this is where the analogy begins to break down. Original Cold War was defined by two rival ideological blocs with almost no meaningful economic integration. The United States and Soviet Union traded very little with each other. उनके अपने separate financial systems थे, which led to competing military alliances. आज की दुनिया बहुत different है. The United States and China remain deeply economically intertwined. Despite tariffs, export controls, strategic competition, they remain major trading partners. उनकी जो supply chains हैं, financial markets हैं, technological ecosystems हैं, वो आज भी बहुत ज़्यादा interconnected हैं. And this is another important difference. During the Cold War, many countries were expected to choose sides. Today, most don't want to choose sides. Countries like Pakistan, India, Saudi Arabia, Indonesia, Turkey, Brazil, and many ASEAN states increasingly practice hedging, working with both Washington and Beijing to maximize opportunities while avoiding exclusive alignment. So this is not bipolar world in the true Cold War sense. It is far more interconnected and complex strategic environment. So perhaps calling it a new Cold War helps us recognize the return of great power rivalry, but it can also mislead us into expecting that history is repeating itself. So बेहतर सवाल ये नहीं है is this another Cold War, बल्कि ये सवाल आपको पूछना चाहिए that what kind of competition emerges when rivals are simultaneously competitors, trading partners, and economically interdependent. Because understanding today's world requires more than historical analogies. It requires recognizing what is genuinely new.